Quick little project update. So I took this Super Nintendo apart and attempted to fix it. First thing I did was took off this pin connector here and scrubbed all these pins underneath. And then, of course, I used a toothbrush and some alcohol. Scrubbed the whole board. This board had a lot of water damage. Let's see if I can pop this back on here. So scrubbed the whole board. I wish I would have recorded before, because really we took a lot of grime off. But yeah, so then plugged it in, and still no power at the red light. So then what I did was soldered this 5-volt phone charger right here past the transformer. The transformer had 4 pins right there, but 2 of them are pretty much totally gone. So if you solder to there and you solder to the fuse, you can get 5 volts to the motherboard, and that's obviously what it runs on. But you can see I've snipped this because, again, that got the red light to come on, but we still weren't getting any just fuzzy black screen on the TV. The black screen would change game to game, but still nothing. So I think I'm done with this project. Gonna throw this stuff away and try something else. Thanks. Bye.